to the front row. Outside row one, starting second, the number 60, Scott's Ortho Ford from Columbia, Missouri, Carl Edwards. And starting on the pole, the driver we're proud to call our own, the number 20 GameStop Singularity Toyota from Middletown, Connecticut, Joey Logano. Joey is starting on the 21 meets 21 Coors pole. The qualifying time of 29.548 seconds. Average speed of 128.902 miles per hour. Here to present the award for $3,100 is Paul Moran and Jordan Rousseau. Here to present Joey with the Hell of a Good Pole Awards. Hell of a Good VIP Experience winner, Joe Amy. And there you have the race fans, the starting lineup for the Camping World Army Sales 200, presented by Turtle Wax.
Now, please turn your attention to Speed Vision.